Hi my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be doing a pranayama and the pranayama is called Kapalbhati. Now, Kapalbhati means Kapal, which means skull, and Bhati means shining. So that means together it means skull shining. It's not as morbid as it sounds. It's your brain is getting cleansed and all of that. So basically that's what it's about. People who should not perform Kapalbhati is if you have high blood pressure, if you have any heart related problems, if you have hernia, or if let's say if you have asthma and you're wheezing. At that time of when you're wheezing, you should not perform. Now the benefits are numerous amount of benefits. One of which is that you get blood supply through the whole body, so there is blood circulation everywhere. Your second one is that any problem in your stomach and gut gets better. You are stimulating your pancreas, you're stimulating your kidneys as well, so it's great. You have any like digestion issues, great for that. This is also something that you do before meditation, just because you're cleansing and you're calming your state of mind as well. People who have acid refluxes, you should try and just do the ones which are lighter, okay, so that nothing fluctuates. If you're a beginner, ideally you count till 30 and you do that much, okay, and then eventually you can gradually build the pace up. But what I want to tell you all is you need to be comfortable with your breath, okay. So there is no force in any pranayam unless it is specified. There is no force whatsoever. In Kapalbhati, you're doing active exhalation while your inhalation is passive, okay. So you're not forcing your breath. I'm just going to show you. You're not going to be doing this, even though it's a skull shining movement, you're not going to be using your face. You want to try and only focus on your stomach and on your abdomen. So your exhalation is primarily through the stomach, not even the chest. So you are not even going to be doing, do not get Bollywood on me, no. Now, if you have a cold, you are lucky you have at least your house that you're in, okay. If you have a cold and things start coming out, it's fine, don't worry, just take a handkerchief, clean it and continue doing it, okay. So it's good for even when you have running nose. It's beautiful, it's a beautiful pranayama, okay. So we're going to get into this, okay. If you're beginner and starting out, as I said, you start 30 seconds, okay, or you start with just the breath of 30. You can go very slow and then gradually build it up. If you are intermediate to advanced practitioner, you need to do a maximum of 10 minutes of this pranayama only. If you're an advanced practitioner, ideally you will want to go 1 second per breath. So you're going to go, if you're an advanced practitioner. If not, you continue doing the smaller versions. You want to remember, you start small, eventually gradually build it up, because you want your foundation to be strong. No dizziness, no lightheadedness. If you're getting that, remember, go one level below. Remember, your whole body you want to relax, okay. So even when you're breathing, don't tense up your shoulders. Ideally you want to do this. You want to go, try and relax everything out, or even you might go, relax the shoulders, relax the chest. You're only moving your abdomen. I'm going to start with the beginner version. Inhale. As you exhale, you're going to not, your inhalation is going to be passive. Remember that. So you're not going to be doing, okay. Do not want to look like a Rakshas, okay. So you want to try and relax your facial muscles also. If it's uncomfortable for you, you can leave your eyes open. If you close your eyes, you're going to go a little bit more inward. This is another. So for beginners, you're going to relax in any comfortable meditative posture. You can cross your legs, you can sit in Padmasana if it's comfortable for you. You want to remember, do not force your breath. Every breath is as natural as you can. It is active. There's a difference between active and forceful, yeah. Inhale. Exhale. Beginner version. Inhale. Exhale. In this moment, when your eyes are closed,
Just try and witness whatever it is that you're feeling inwards. Don't force, just keep breathing. Once your breath equalizes, just feel if you feel any changes in your body. With few gentle blinks, open your eyes.
Now, if at any moment you feel lightheaded or you feel dizzy, you want to go take a step back and go slower. Okay, so whatever we did right now, you can go even slower than that. Okay, you want to remember, you want to be comfortable with it and gradually build your way up. Yeah, now we're going to be going into, we did the beginner one, which was just 30 of the inhalation and exhalation. Now we're going to be doing intermediate to advanced. We're going to see it's going to gradually pick up its pace. Okay, inhale. We're not going to do many so that you understand. Remember, if you're starting off, 0 to 30 seconds to a minute is, if you can maximum do that much, up to 5 minutes. If you are an advanced practitioner, practice till 10 minutes as you can. Now you want to try and break it down to 3 sections, which I'm going to be doing now. We finished the first one, we're going to be doing the second section right now, which is the intermediate one. Breathe normally. Inhale. As you inhale, exhale completely first. Let all the toxins come out. Now we're going to do it. Inhale and you begin.
In this moment, try and witness the changes that you feel within. Feel the warmness in your belly, chest, windpipe, nose, and brain. Once your breath neutralizes, stay for a couple of seconds and gently open your eyes.
Now, our third set, final set, okay? If you are still a beginner, you can do the same beginner set in your second one as well. Your last set, if you're an advanced practitioner, you can go a little faster, okay? It depends on you. If you go fast and suddenly you start going slow, also is fine. Remember not to make faces like, okay, even I have a tendency of doing that. Try and not doing that. Your full focus should be your stomach, yeah? Inhale. Completely. Exhale, release all and every breath. One last time. Inhale. Let the stomach come out. It's okay. Don't feel shy. Exhale completely. Inhale, last time. Let the stomach come out. Exhale with that inhalation. You're going to try and we're going to start.
Witness the changes you feel within your body. Feel the tension release out. Feel your toes, your fingers, the tip of your nose. Inhale deep and exhale completely.
When your breath comes back to normal, with few blinks, with your head bowing down a little bit, you can gently open your eyes slowly. So again, if you feel uneasy or unsteady, you can stop, pause and go with a slower level. Yeah, if you're going at a fast pace and you feel uncomfortable at any time, you can slow down. Till I see you next time, practice daily, stay safe, stay humble. Okay, bye.